Amanjot, we've got Umesh, my colleague, joining us from her residence. Yes, Umesh, go ahead.
या टोटली एग्री विद अयाज, बट अभी उनके घर पे क्योंकि जश्न का माहौल है और कैच जो लिया अमनजोत ने, वाकई पूरी टीम एफर्ट है, लेकिन कैच ने भी पासा कहीं ना कहीं पलटा और मिठाई का डब्बा अमनजोत के घर पे तैयार है, देखिए यहाँ पर। और क्योंकि सुबह से इंतजार था, आज जो पल है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है। परिवार, उनके पिताजी अमनजोत के हमारे साथ हैं। भूपिंदर जी, बहुत मुबारकबाद आपके।
बहुत बहुत मुबारक है, सारे मुबारक है।
आप तो सुबह से पटाखे पटोके लाए थे, फिर क्या?
मैं कहनी होनी बजा के हटे हैं।
अच्छा, बजा दिया आपने?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
और मुंह मीठा आप डब्बा देखिए लेके खड़े हैं। और क्योंकि इस घर से वर्ल्ड चैंपियन निकली है अमनजोत, जो बचपन में बाहर क्रिकेट खेलती थी, आज वो सपना लग रहा है कि शुरुआत की थी 2016 से 2025।
हाँ जी, उन्होंने शुरुआत की थी, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਨੇ सोचा सी मुकाम तक पहुंचना, अपनी मेहनत ਨਾਲ पहुंच गई, ਉੱਥੇ पहुंची हुई है जी, वो हासिल कर लिया जी उन्होंने।
फाइनल से पहले बात हुई होगी आपसे?
फाइनल ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਈ ਸੀ ਜੀ।
अच्छा, क्या बोला?
बस वो कहते ਅਸੀਂ ग्राउंड जा रहे हैं, मैं बेस्ट विशेस देती ਸੀ फिर वर्ल्ड कप जीत के आना है।
फाइनली जीत गई।
हाँ, जीत गई।
अच्छा, वो दौर याद आता है कि आप एक साधारण फैमिली थे, आपका काम था, कारपेंटर हो आप, है ना? बेटी को क्रिकेट खिलाना था, आज बेटी वर्ल्ड कप चैंपियन है।
हाँ जी, हैगी ਹੁਣ ਵੀ ਸੁਧਾਰਨ ਜੀ कारपेंटर का काम ਹੁਣ भी करते हैं जी। काम नहीं छड़ते है। चलो भी बेटी ने अपना जो भी मेहनत की है जी, बहुत तरक्कियां बख्शियां महाराज ने, बहुत वधिया किया जी उन्होंने।
क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
बहुत खुशी हुई आज जीत के, बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी हुई, बच्चे की मनोकामना पूरी हो गई।
मुंह तो मीठा कर लीजिए कम से कम, आप डब्बा लेके खड़े रहेंगे, क्योंकि बहुत ही ऐसा मोमेंट है इस परिवार ने। इस देखिए, एक बड़े साधारण परिवार हैं जहां से निकलकर अमनजोत पहुंची, और ये बहुत ही खास तस्वीरें हैं आज की, क्योंकि वो टाइम भी याद है भूपिंदर जी, जब वो शूज, आपने एक कहानी सुनाई थी कि जब जूते मांगे तो आपने सिंपल दिला दिए, उसने कहा कि ये नहीं चलेंगे। अगर आप हिंदी में बोल पाए।
बिल्कुल, उन्होंने स्पाइक्स वाले शूज चाहिए थे जी। मैं हटावे जाके मैं चल जितने थोड़े स्टार्ट जे लगे तो लेके आ गया जी। वो कहते नहीं पापा ये नहीं चलने आगे, स्पाइक्स वाले चाहिए, लोहे के स्टील के लगे होंगे। फिर मैं वो कॉस्टली होंगे, कहते चलो फिर मैं नागरथ के चला गया जी। उन्होंने दिखाया ना 8500 दे जी, मैं चल 8500 दोनों ले लो, कहता नहीं 8500 का एक पीस है जी, दो नहीं है जी।
चलिए, अब तो बेटी ने थार ले लिया
जी हूं तब।
और सबसे अहम बात है कि जो एक पूरी इस टूर्नामेंट में लग रहा था, जिस तरह से ऑस्ट्रेलिया को हराया, उसके बाद जोश दुगना हुआ और आज फाइनली जीत हासिल की। वो कैच जब पकड़ा अमनजोत ने, वो देखा होगा आपने?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, वो देखे। मैं कहना जिस तरह वो गिर रही थी ना, साड़ा जोर उधर ही लग रहा था, बहुत थले गिरना चाहिए,
धड़कने बढ़ रही थी।
मैं पूछे ना जी, पैरों से सुइयां चुभदियां थी।
बिल्कुल। और इस घर में थोड़ा सा जश्न भी है। मैं कहता हूँ कि पाजी पंजाबी हैं, थोड़ा अगर भंगड़ा आप साथ हो जाए, क्योंकि आज बहुत बड़ा दिन है? एक बार हो जाए देखो जी, आ जाओ। ये देखिए, बहुत अहम तस्वीर है इस घर की, ये जश्न जो होना चाहिए आज। हाँ, ये देखो जी, क्या बात है, बल्ले बल्ले, ये है जश्न। हाँ बिल्कुल, ये इस घर की तस्वीरें हैं। देखिए, अमनजोत के परिवार की आज झूम रहे हैं, और इनके पिताजी का भी आज झूमना बनता है। देखो, ये जरूरी है। ये देखिए, आइए आप साहब दी, ये देखिए इस घर की तस्वीरें, जो परिवार है आज नाच रहा है खुशी से, और ये इस भंगड़े का बड़ा इंतजार था।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, बहुत ये खुशी के पल तो उड़ीकते सी जी असं करते जी। महाराज की कृपा 25 साल बाद आया जी। 25
साल बाद, बिल्कुल। सोचा था बेटी एक इंडियन टीम में जाना और वर्ल्ड कप चैंपियन बनना?
देखो यार, कभी सोचा भी नहीं सकी सानू इतनी इज्जत मिलेगी जी, गल तो है जी। वो
और भंगड़े की और तैयारी हो रही है। हाँ जी, आइए प्लीज, ये आ गए, देखिए, हो जाए। और बोल के गा लिए आप गाना, ये देखिए, जोश के साथ थोड़ा सा, और काफी खुशी है देखिए परिवार में कि यहाँ से एक घर से निकली एक बेटी जो बाहर बच्चों के साथ क्रिकेट, लड़कों के साथ खेलती थी, आज फाइनली वर्ल्ड कप चैंपियन बन चुकी है। और साधारण सा परिवार है, जैसे कि मैंने जिक्र किया, कारपेंटर है इनके पिता, लेकिन हिम्मत नहीं हारी और बेटी आज वर्ल्ड चैंपियन है। फाइनल से पहले या बीच बीच में बात होती थी, क्या बात होती थी आपकी? क्या आप माहौल बताते थे कि हाँ टीम पूरी जोश में है, या एक होता है ना कि खिलाड़ी अपने पेरेंट्स से बात करना?
तो कहती पापा ग्राउंड जा रहे हैं जी, बहुत दिन से 2-2 3-3 बार सैशन लगते हैं साढ़े, थक जाइदा, आके सो जाइदा, फिर उठ के चल जाइदा, बस यही काम करते कहते सारा तो जो है भी अभी वर्ल्ड कप लेके आना है।
अच्छा, अमनजोत की कोई खास बात आप बताएं, जो एक होता है ना कि उसका एक ये अपने साथ कुछ, जैसे कोई लोग किताब पढ़ते हैं, कोई गुरु साहब गुटका पाठ या कुछ रखती है अपने साथ?
हाँ जी, महाराज रखे हुआ जी नाल जी।
क्या
उन्हें महाराज का सरोपर रखा हुआ जी उन्होंने? हाँ जी,
वो साथ ही रखती है जब भी खेलने जाते?
बिल्कुल नाल रखते हैं, बैग दे
बैग में। और वो हमेशा ट्रैवल करते हुए जब
उन्हें जब भी जाना नाल रखना जी, उन्होंने क्या भी नाल रखना जी। हाँ,
तो आके आप किस तरह की तैयारी कर रहे हो? क्या खास पसंद है अमनजोत को खाने में, या क्या चीज आप रोकते हो?
ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਸੰਦ ਜੀ, ਉਹ ਬਸ ਸਾਦਾ ਭੋਜਨ ਖਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਬਸ ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਸ਼ੂਗਰ ਹੋਵੇ, ਜੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਡਾਈਟੀਸ਼ੀਅਨ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਉਹੀ ਲੈਣਾ ਜੀ ਉਹਨੇ।
पराठे तो चलते हैं।
ਨਹੀਂ ਪਰੌਂਠੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਖਾਂਦੇ, ਘਿਓ ਤਲੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਚੀਨੀ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਖਾਣਾ ਉਹਨੇ, ਨਾ ਕੋल्ड ड्रिंक ना बर्गर ना शर्गर कुछ नहीं।
चलिए, बहुत बहुत देखिए परिवार में जश्न है, और क्योंकि एक इतिहास रचा है लड़कियों ने, और एक ऐसी टीम, जैसे आज बात कर रहे थे कि वर्ल्ड पावर वुमेन जो क्रिकेट ने भी दिखा दिया, हमारे मेंस टीम तो है ही है, लेकिन महिलाओं ने भी दिखा दिया कि हम किसी से कम नहीं। ओवर टू शिवानी।
Absolutely. Thank you so much for that conversation. Amanjot also played her part. And, you know, what is also very, very great about this current set of Indian players, Mamta ji, if I can ask you, is I felt their sheer batting power is amazing to watch, isn't it? They bat deep.
Yeah.
And
This is what I felt.
it's a firepower batting lineup.
Yeah. This is what I felt, and this is where we have to give credit to Amol sir for. It was always there. It's not like Richa is new. She's been around for some time. All these players have been around for some time. But somewhere I felt watching them in the first game, and when we had lost so many wickets, and how the bottom half came, and then repeatedly for 2-3 games it happened. I knew that we have arrived, because it was a matter of time before Smriti or Harry or the top would fire. So this is where I feel that we've made the change, but we still have a long way to go in terms of our bowling and fielding. I feel, I mean, when we go abroad in different conditions, all these things will matter. That's for another day. But hats off to the way that we have prepared. Actually, BCCI needs to give a lot of credit here, because the preparation was good. We played the best sides. They've never said no for anything. When I came there for the first game against Sri Lanka, I saw the support staff was more than the squad. When they were standing up there, there were about 18 people support staff and 15 squad. So without that backing, so BCCI has been giving them just about everything they've been asking for. So I'm just happy we were able to repay that faith that
Exactly.
BCCI.
They have repaid that faith, and they have also shown, as many female athletes in the country have done, Ayaz, that if you do put in that effort, female athletes also pay it back. We've seen it in our Olympic journey, we've seen it in all other sports, and now we're seeing it in our cricket journey as well, as the money and the professionalism and that foresight, that vision and that commitment started pouring in to Indian women's cricket. They have shown that they can beat the Australias of the world, the South Africas, and lift an ICC trophy.
I'll go a step further, Shivani. I'll say that in fact the women have performed better comparatively than the men in various disciplines. The Olympic disciplines, you look at wrestling, you look at shooting, etc., etc. What it says, and the success of this World Cup victory will have a tremendous kind of impact on the minds of young girls in India, because cricket is such a major sport in India, and now you've got something to look up to, which is not just hyperbole or rhetoric, but there's something really tangible. You've got the ICC World Cup with you. I'll bring back the 1983 World Cup victory and the impact it had on the Indian psyche then, on the men or the male cricketers. So I can see that happening now, and and this is a major step ahead in India becoming a sporting nation, because I feel that if you don't afford 50% of the population, which is the girl child or the women, ample opportunity to go out and play and have all kinds of restrictions, societal or whatever it might be, then you cannot become a sporting nation. Yeah. And this is a great reply or riposte to those who argue against giving such opportunities to girls and women, because look at what they've achieved. And it's all happened, after 5 decades. It's been just about 51. 1976 was the first time India played an international match in women's cricket. So in 5 decades, the 5 decades have been a long, hard journey. It's been tortuous, it's been frustrating, lots of hardships. But hey, when you reach, a pinnacle like this, then everything seems worth it.
Absolutely.
And from here onwards, you have to just look at where you can go further.
Yes, and I think the last 5 years also have been, they've been a catalyst of sorts, because in the last 5 years we've got more attention and the board paying more attention to women's cricket, and in that sense the turnaround that the team has made in the last 3 to 4 years, 5 years, I think that's even more stupendous. The returns have been pretty fast to come. I mean, winning a World Cup title is not easy. Harmanpreet is about to lift that trophy, gentlemen, and Mamta ji, stay with me. But Harmanpreet has spoken at the post-match press conference, saying that even though we lost those 3 games, the self-belief was there that this team has something special to turn things around. Credit goes to all the players that they stayed positive. This team deserves this title. And I think truer words have not been spoken, because everyone in this team has done their part. Look at the bench strength that India already displayed, because you had a one performer going out and Shefali coming in just for the last 2 matches, Chaitanya, and delivering. That actually gives you a sense of how much confidence, talent and bench strength India has.
Yes, Shivani, you are absolutely right. As you said, the bench strength. It shows that you have the bench strength, because when you have a player injured at the crucial time, you have somebody else to replace her at that point of a time where the tournament is getting very crucial. And as we have seen Shefali coming back into the game in the semifinals, she looked little scratchy, but today she looked different altogether. What she was before she got dropped, and the way she bowled, she batted, it shows that every Indian woman was willing to win this World Cup, and they were prepared like that. And I must say that that's a very good pickup by Indian selectors, right. We are talking about everybody, about Amol Bhai, who's done well with the Team India, but it starts from BCCI, who backs their selectors, and selectors, those who choose the right players. They make a bench strength where they know if somebody is going to get injured, who's going to replace, and then comes to the supporting staff who gets those players to put into the final stage and back them up. But I think this is a complete team game, which starts from BCCI, office bearers, and then it comes to the selectors, then it comes to the ground management, and then comes to the players. And especially, every captain is big when you have a great team. Harmanpreet kept a great, great kind
All right. Chaitanya, just stay with me. Deepti Sharma's father is joining us over the phone line. Sir, बहुत बधाई हो आपको. Deepti, player of the tournament है. इंडिया ने पहला ICC World Cup जीता है. Okay, I think we have lost him. But Chaitanya, just stay with me. The Indian team has lifted the title. I just want to, read out what Harmanpreet has also said about that genius moment where she gave the ball to Shefali. And she's saying that when South Africans were batting really well, I saw Shefali standing there and felt this could be her day, especially the way she batted, delivered with the bat. And really, she said she went with her gut and her heart. And that's the most important thing. Sometimes, it's always good to turn to that one player who's had a good day. And that player tends to have a good day all around. She says that I just thought I should give her 1 over, and that was the turning point of the match. Because of the rain, we knew our score was good. All credit to South Africans. They played well, but panicked in the last moment. And that's when we snatched the game. Deepti came in at the right time and took crucial wickets. Certainly a big overall, all-round performance as far as the team is concerned. They have really helped Indian fans get over some of that setback that we faced in the 2023 ODI World Cup final in India, in India in Ahmedabad, isn't it, Ayaz? And maybe, who knows, with the popularity of the women's game, the next big match can be played in Ahmedabad, the 1 lakh strong stadium capacity Ahmedabad.
Well, why not? I mean, certainly, I mean, you got an audience which can fill up that kind of a ground, such a big ground. Why not? I mean, now what, earlier when the tournament started, maybe there were 2 or 3 household names from this Indian women's team, Smriti Mandhana, Harmanpreet Kaur, maybe even Jamima, though she was pretty much in and out of the team at that point in time, about 6-8 months back. But now each one of them is a star, and they'll be stars forever. I mean, this is an unforgettable win, and as we know, it'll go down in the annals of cricket history, certainly Indian cricket history, and stand alongside, as I mentioned, the 1983 World Cup win that we had in the Prudential Cup under Kapil Dev.
Absolutely. Let's take final comments from all of our guests as well. Mamta ji, we've talked about, of course, what it means to these players and what it could do for women's cricket. Tell me, what was the highlight of this tournament for you as far as the Indian team is concerned? That one performance, that one match that really stood with you?
For me, it is the fact that in every match there was somebody who had put up their hand. That for me is the highlight. Otherwise, we normally once Smriti get out or Harry get out or maybe we would sing. But that was not the case. For me, each and every player in this batting lineup, I think, has done a tremendous job. Because you, even if it's a small contribution, right? Even they have what do you say? They never let the hope go. There were so many times when, 5 down, 6 down, but there was somebody else who was coming and doing it. And even though we lost games, we had crossed more than 300 runs. So all these were a good indication. I don't want to pick up anybody, but obviously Smriti, everybody. You can't, I think, in this batting lineup, actually it is the batting which has won us the day. Though the bowlers and fielders have done a good job, but we all know, if we are true to ourselves, there is still work in that department. But I think the batting has come of age.
Yes, you're right. I mean, we lost high-scoring matches. We lost against Australia 331, but we also chased the highest in an ODI against Australia. We had lost to South Africa after they were 80 for 5, and it looked like we had the match in the bag, but their lower order did it for them. So death over, possibly, Ayaz, that's that one area where the Indian team needs to do a little bit better, because I think the talent is definitely there, but sometimes the death over bowling is a little bit of a problem.
There was some criticism, or a lot of criticism, during the time we lost 3 matches on the trot, that India's bowling attack doesn't have a sixth option. With Harmanpreet Kaur not bowling nowadays, so you would get exposed if your regular bowlers didn't do the job. And you saw that what happened in the final when she found Shefali Verma, or her gut told her that she should go to Shefali, and Shefali picked up those 2 wickets in 2 overs, and that just changed the complexion of the game. I think the Indian team has done exceptionally well in the batting, and the lower order has pulled its weight, every time. Deepti Sharma, Richa Ghosh, Amanjot Kaur, and the bowlers have done well in the death overs. In the semi-final, in the final, I thought Deepti was absolutely marvellous bowling the death overs. But if you ask me, the most defining moment from an Indian point of view perspective, I think it has to be the innings played by Jemimah. Jemimah in the semi-final against Australia. 2 wickets had fallen early, chasing a record score against the defending champions and a near invincible opponent, long-time nemesis of India, and then to make that unbeaten century, that partnership with Harmanpreet, and then the victory, I thought was really the clincher in many ways.
All right. This has been a great evening for women's cricket and for Indian cricket and for Indian sports. All of them have come together to really be a deserving title holder. First ICC trophy for the senior women's team, but our under-19 girls have done it, right? So it seems like both the supply chain and of course the senior team really have hit their stride, and they're going to make India proud for a very long time to come. I leave with what Harmanpreet Singh said at the presentation ceremony. This is not the end, this is just the beginning. Thanks a lot for watching.